Hello and welcome from Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I'm going to show you this Globe Traveller vehicle here. This one here, that's the star of the show as far as this video is concerned. We'll come around to Voyager X. I'll give you the price, which is one, I better not guess. I could have guessed, I was about to say 115, so it would have been 390 euros out. Right, here we've got a storage cabinet which it opens from the outside and also opens to the inside. Coming in, you'll notice we've got a forward-facing bench with the table. Storage could be used up there, but this is meant to be where the bed is. This is a spare bed up here, so this is a sleeps for. This will drop down to make a bed. I'm not going to do it now because I'm trying to film quite quickly and I'm carrying two bags, so it makes it difficult, but I'm going to leave you a video where you can see the bed up here coming down and how far it actually gets. I would point out though they've changed the previously they had something a little bit more complicated. This is far better than what was used before. Okay, in here we've got two burners, we've got a sink, we've got the fridge over here. Incidentally, it's the same fridge as I've got in my van, and I can't open it. I can't open the fridge, but never mind. I bet they've got something in there don't want me to take. Storage up there, storage around. This is a wardrobe, and we've got storage at the bed all the way along the back. Side bed down here, storage over here. So you see there's plenty of storage despite the shape of the vehicle. And in here we'll find a shower with a toilet, and there's a sink in there as well. You know where the sink is? It's in here. I'm being careful because of the amount of stuff I've got on me. There we have it. There's the sink. So it's a nice vehicle, in my opinion. Mind you, this shelf's a bit, I'll get rid of that myself, but anyway, that's me. It's double floor, and this one's on a automatic gearbox, a Fiat. There's a choice of engine sizes, obviously. Nice sort of cup holders down there. There's also with some USBs. That's quite handy. So there you go. Quick look at this vehicle, the Voyager X from Globe Traveller from Warsaw, or near Warsaw, Poland. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.